Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here. We are looking at a weekend that it's not that bad weather-wise because it's not going to be raining much of the time. However, we really need to pay attention to things late this afternoon through early this evening with the chance for some strong thunderstorms, and any of these storms could contain some damaging wind gusts with a slight chance of hail on Saturday. I actually think the better chance for hail would be on Sunday with some of these storms. So you can see the morning and the afternoon, at least the early afternoon, mostly rain-free. Can't rule out one or two showers or downpours this morning, but the much better chance would be during the afternoon. But even the afternoon could be spent enjoying a lot of rain-free time. So let me show you what I mean. This is 2 o'clock this afternoon. Slight chance of a few showers and storms. That chance increases after around 3 or 4 o'clock. And again, some of these storms could be quite strong and heavy. So even though you probably don't want to cancel plans today, if you are doing something outside, please pay attention to things online and on the air. The WPRI Pinpoint weather app, a great tool to have with you, because if these storms do happen to materialize, they could be quite strong. Now, 6, 7 p.m., that front is still trying to get through, so we're still looking at the chance for some scattered strong thunderstorms. I'm thinking by around 8 p.m., maybe even a little bit sooner than that, we finally start to calm things down as the sun starts to set, especially after 8 p.m. through the overnight hours. We lose the heating of the day, the front starts to move offshore, and we quiet things down. And then on Sunday, you could see the chance of some showers and thunderstorms returns. This would be our better chance of seeing hail, and I do think it will be raining a little more often on Sunday as opposed to Saturday. You can see a few more scattered showers and storms possible on Sunday afternoon. That is a look at things for now. We will be posting more updates throughout the day here on WPRI.com. Thanks so much for watching.